So I have this Magpie Qube that was a Kickstarter that I did recently. So it is a 3-in-1 multi-measure. So we're going to open this up and see what's in the box besides the device that you can see here on the front. So you got some specs that are on the outside box, some additional details on where it came from, UPC code. On the back are all the additional specs in terms of how big it is, things like that. So let's open it up. So first off, you got a message of gratitude, it says. Just put that little thing to the side. Just a bunch of thank yous in different languages. Have a Hall of Fame, a heartfelt dedication to all who have shown unwavering support for Magpie campaigns. So there's a bunch of names in here. I would assume my name is hidden in this very, very small list. Well, I'm not going to harp and spend that much time looking for it. But, no, doesn't matter. Anyway, I should be in this Hall of Fame list, I guess. So then there's the device that is in a nice little Magpie bag. Features some Velcro, some additional anti-static bag, and then you have the device. So it's a magnetic laser on top. Let's turn it on, see if it has any charge. We also have a kind of safety cable, USB-C plug inside as well, then the full-on manual. I'll be taking a look at that because I really don't know how to run the device at the moment. I mean, I see the power button, I guess some additional details. You can adjust your area, volume, Pythagorean, angle. Let's go to angle. Now it's dead flat. You can see currently angling it up. That's error, but that's how you easily cycle through the different options. Tape, you can see tape measure. It's basically a laser that's going through, showcasing how long something is. So that's basically between my hand, showcasing the depth, and that's going up to a thing above, so my hand is kind of blocking it right now, but USB-C plug behind on the top right here. But that's pretty much the unboxing of this device. If you can like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I have a bunch of other Kickstarters I have funded, and I've done some unboxing videos on them as well. Thanks for watching.